Content pillars are the core themes around which all your content clusters. They guide every piece of content you create, serving as the strategic foundation. Think of them as main categories that define your expertise, organizing your content ecosystem for both your audience and search engines, providing clarity, focus, and powerful SEO benefits through structured linking. Content pillars are the core themes that anchor your content strategy. They define your expertise and organize your content ecosystem, benefiting both your audience and search engines. By providing clarity and focus, they naturally organize topic clusters and deliver powerful SEO advantages through structured linking. Content pillars streamline creation by providing clear themes, simplifying planning, and reducing decision fatigue. They build authority by consistently delivering comprehensive content, establishing your brand as a trusted expert. Boost search engine optimization performance by structuring content into search engine-friendly clusters, enhancing rankings and visibility. Engage your audience with relevant, consistent messaging that resonates and builds lasting connections. How-to pillars offer step-by-step guidance, breaking complex tasks into manageable steps with visuals, building trust through actionable insights. Guide pillars provide comprehensive overviews, linking to subtopics, establishing authority. What is pillars? Define foundational concepts, supporting beginners and the awareness stage, serving as entry points for new audiences. Pillar pages are extensive resources, over 2,000 words, offering holistic topic coverage and linking to cluster pages. They prioritize education. In contrast, landing pages focus on conversion with specific calls to action. Blog posts, ranging from 600 to 1,500 words, provide timely, focused content, supporting pillar pages through strategic internal linking. Building content pillars involves identifying core topics that align with your expertise and audience needs. Research keywords using tools like Answer the Public. Create comprehensive pillar pages with 2,000 to 4,000 words. Develop cluster content addressing subtopics and link strategically to establish authority and improve search engine rankings. A content pillar structure begins with a central topic, like content marketing basics, serving as a comprehensive hub. Supporting clusters include SEO fundamentals, social media strategies, content calendars, and analytics tracking. Each cluster links back to the pillar, enhancing topical authority and improving search engine rankings. Implementing a content pillar strategy significantly boosts search engine optimization performance. Within 6 months, organic traffic can increase by 40%, and first-page keyword rankings can rise by 180%. Additionally, domain authority scores improve 2.8 times through structured internal linking, enhancing search engines' understanding of content relationships and signaling expertise. Content pillars enhance social media strategy by establishing consistent themes, reinforcing brand voice, and streamlining content planning. For a health brand, pillars include nutrition with meal plans and recipes, fitness with workout routines, mental health with stress management tips, and lifestyle tips for wellness. Educational, inspirational, promotional, community, and behind-the-scenes content further enrich engagement. Scripts and templates for content pillar creation are essential for structuring your strategy. Start with a clear introduction hook to engage your audience. Define the concept, explain its importance, and provide a step-by-step process. Use examples and case studies to illustrate real-world applications and address common mistakes to ensure effective implementation. A content dashboard is crucial for executing a pillar strategy effectively. Use color-coded labels for each pillar for quick visual recognition. Tag content with its pillar and subtopic for trackable relationships. Track performance metrics like views and engagement. Manage workflow stages from ideas to promotion using tools like Trello or Asana. Mitsubishi Electric faced challenges with inconsistent messaging and low engagement across platforms. By implementing 5 core content pillars, innovation, sustainability, customer stories, industry insights, and company culture, they achieved a 30% boost in engagement, a 45% increase in content efficiency, and 3.2 times improvement in posting consistency. Tagging posts by themes streamlined their workflow and enhanced audience interaction. Publishing random topics without strategic focus dilutes authority and confuses audiences. Audit existing content, categorize into 3 to 5 core themes, and retire or repurpose misaligned content. Avoid creating more than 5 to 6 pillars to prevent resource strain. Schedule quarterly reviews to update pillar content, ensuring relevance and maintaining credibility. Data-driven optimization is crucial for refining content strategies. Key metrics include organic traffic, keyword rankings, and click-through rates. Engagement metrics like time on page and social shares indicate content quality. Conversion performance, such as lead generation, is vital. Create a monthly dashboard to review pillar performance, adjusting topics, and expanding successful pillars based on data. Content pillars are essential for clarity and growth. Start with 3 core pillars aligned to your expertise and audience needs. Build in-depth pillar pages to establish authority. Develop cluster content to enhance subtopics and boost search engine optimization. Continuously optimize using data and insights to refine and improve performance. Begin your journey with a single, well-researched pillar.